Want 1K extra per month without cold calling clients? This AI workflow spits out consulting proposals that land gigs using your existing job skills. AI for grown-ass professionals finale. Email, Excel, meetings crushed? Now, turn your telecom sales or admin experience into side income with zero hustle. You probably face side hustle roadblocks, no clue what to offer, proposals take forever, and nobody responds to LinkedIn spam. But here is the good news. AI fixes all three of these problems instantly. Here are the 3 steps to 1K a month. AI finds your hidden expertise, AI writes client-ready proposals, and you post to 3 platforms to collect payments. Step 1. AI discovers your offer. Paste your LinkedIn profile or resume into ChatGPT. Use this prompt. From my experience, extract 3 high-value consulting services I could sell at $150 an hour. Include the problem I solve, who needs it, and proof from my career. Watch as it generates options like AI network optimization consulting. Pick the one that fits you best. Now for step 2, the AI proposal generator. We're going to let AI do the heavy lifting. Feed it this prompt. Write a 1-page consulting proposal for my service targeting this industry. Here are my credentials. Price, you'll earn $500 for the project. Make it urgent and benefit-focused. And just like that, you get a polished PDF output. Your only job is to swap in your name and hit send. Quick pause, hit that like button if you are ready to cash in on your expertise. Step 3, monetization platforms. Post your proposals to LinkedIn, Upwork, and Fiverr. Don't forget your own network. Warm leads often convert first. Your first 1K could land in just 30 days. Want to scale to 3K? Offer retainers. Use Calendly and Stripe for payments, and track everything in a simple Google Sheet. That's it. 4 videos, 10 hours a week saved, and 1K side income potential. Subscribe for more AI career domination. Comment telecom, sales, or admin below for your custom workflow. See you in the next one.